YoungBoy Never Broke Again single just dropped. It's called My Window, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. And you're going to finger pick the low E string, D string, and G string at the same time. Then we're going to go to an F sharp major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. And you're going to finger pick the low E string, D string, and G string at the same time again. Then a G sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string. And you're going to finger pick the low E string, D string, and G string at the same time again. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, and you're going to hammer on to the 4th fret of the B string with your ring finger. Then we're going to go back to the F sharp major chord, and you're going to finger pick the low E string, A string, and D string at the same time. Then back to the E major chord, and you're going to finger pick the low E string, D string, and G string at the same time again. Then we're going to do the first 3 chords again. And you're going to hammer on to the 4th fret of the B string again. Except instead of going to the F sharp major chord, you're going to pick the second fret of the high E string, 4th fret high E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for my window. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.